guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly, and today I'll be doing my Boxycharm November 2019 opening and review. So, well, it's just a review. Well, so this month's theme is Stellar. And I got variation number, wrong corner, 6. It's a little hard to tell because it's white, but yeah, variation 6. And this month they're actually sending out samples of complexion products so that way we can tell them our proper skin tone, so that way they can try to match us to various products that they'll send us in the future. But I got the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer, and as far as I can tell, I'll be the lightest. I should be the lightest shade. Let's see. Then we have. Let's see. So yeah, this isn't really part of the box. It's just a sample pack. Now you might think this is a sample packet. It's part of the box, but actually no. It's just so they can tell what skin tone you are. Now, let's see. Now the first actual item in the box is the Lily Lashes Boxycharm. Is the Lily Lashes and Boxycharm. It's a special lashes for Boxycharm, but they are in CEO. Better see on this side. But yeah, I don't really wear lashes too often, but these ones seem to be rather lovely. Next we have Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick in Charm. Forgot to mention that those lashes were worth $25, so you already have the worth of the box already. And this is the Dose of Colors Liquid Lipstick in Charm, which I am actually wearing. So yeah, this is what it looks like. But yeah, that's what Charm looks like. It's really nice. Here's a swatch. But yeah. Looks really lovely. This is what looks dried down. So this seems really lovely. I don't really wear too. This is a little dark, but not too dark because when I used to love dark reds a lot of times, but then people started saying they could see my lips before they could see me. But yeah, that is worth $18. So that's nice. Then we have the Boxycharm 2 face set. This is actually the Boxycharm brand brushes. It's a set of 2. Mine's a little deformed right there, but it should be alright. But yep, these are a nice oval. It looks almost like a old fountain pen style handle, I'd say. But yeah, foundation and a powder brush, 2 different sizes. But yeah, this would be something that I would really love to try out. So that's great. And they came in a small, clear, translucent pouch. And those are worth $35 as well. Then we have the Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum, which, as far as I'm aware, is a hydrator. It's like a hydrating serum. And let's see, it's in a nice blue component. Although it seems like mine has a twinge of opening, which makes me concerned. But yeah, it's a dropper. Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow. But yeah, it's actually made exclusive for Boxycharm, so that's really nice. But yeah, let's see if. Okay, so it wasn't open all the way. But yeah, just has a dropper. Looks lovely. It says for day and night use, and that is worth $90. So we're definitely getting a bit of value in this box with just this one item even. And lastly, what I'm really excited about is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Palette, which is really nice. You have several different shades, although it looks like this one spilled over. Even though it looks like this one spilled over, it's actually part of the packaging, so no need to worry about that. Though I personally would have put that pan in a different spot. But this looks lovely, and I will be reviewing this within the next 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that video. And that's all I got in this box, but we also have coupons for Dragon Beauty and Natasha Denona, as well as ads about the Boxy Lux and Boxy Pop-Up, which for me will be, which for regular people, for regular buyers of the box, for the base box will be on the 12th of this month. And that also has what to do about the complexion product samples they gave you, which were not part of the box, so it's technically an extra product, I'd say. But yeah, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My socials and my Boxycharm link will be down below. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!